Systematically we study and we come to where I tell you, after this 15th chapter, I tell you, you don't want to have anything to get joy. Without dependence, you're getting it. Now, in our case, we need to have some object to get that joy. Then we are asking someone, hey, you be with me, I'm very happy. But I am not happy. The opposite person says, hey, you be with me. Don't go to room. Sir, your presence I don't like actually. That person also having a heart, ne? She asking me, for my what the joy, you have to be with me. A dependency. I tell you, when you study this 15th chapter, if you just take it in your mind, small reflection is okay. Without the object, how to get happiness? You'll get it. Because the dependence will not come. Because in all our happiness, depending upon some or the object, some or that the people. Without people, without object, how to get happiness? Getting it? Whenever we see this kind of the great word that science, we see Tapan Maharaj is living alone in the forest. When you read this sloka, very dry kind of life. Ramana Maharishi simply sitting, only one word, that one dress, that's all. I am telling very decently, only one dress. 24 hours. We do puja, we do all those things, but in the mind, this person is not getting bored. No family, no children. Simply sitting. And not sleeping also. He is not sleeping, simply sitting and smiling, very light smile. How you can smile without sleeping? If you just give me like this sofa, 2 minutes I will sleep there. Getting it? No sleep. But how, what kind of joy is there? Getting it? No dependency. No things are needed, no beings are needed. Getting it? They got it. In our case, we need to have everything. Little different. Even though we have everything, there is no happiness. There is some kind of a mental disease. Are you getting it? Or the intellectual disease also. But you have everything, why you are not happiness? I do not know. You have everything, but no happiness.